Welcome to PAI Manufacturing. My name is Navid Yavari. I am the Vice President of PAI. PAI has been manufacturing in the United States since 1973.
Hello, my name is Jason Roy, PAI Plant Manager of Manufacturing. I'd like to introduce you and give you a behind-the-scenes look at the machine that's behind me. It's a high-performance twin spindle lathe. The lathe has multiple different part numbers that we can produce on it. Some of the part numbers or parts that you may know: the synchronizer clutch, synchronizer housings. We have hubs that we do on this machine. We also have main shafts. Those are just a few examples of what we produce on this piece of equipment. Some of the things that we've designed this twin spindle with is a 16 station carousel. And on the carousel, we can hold, at each station, we can hold anywhere from 6 to 10 parts, depending on the diameter or the dimension of the part. In addition to that, we also have a gantry for loading and unloading. So the gantry will take a raw material, put it on spindle number 1, take what's on spindle number 1 off, bring that to spindle number 2, take what's on spindle number 2 off, and then bring it to the carousel where it's a finished product. The first step in the process is setup. We have a highly skilled PAI team member that does the setups. Once the setup is complete, then we take the parts to our advanced PAI quality lab where it's checked. Every part that comes off of a piece of equipment gets checked. Twin spindle lathe has the capability of running with one operator. In the past, this machine took the place of 2 lathe machines and 2 operators. So now we have one operator, and the operator has more time to do frequent quality checks, but also run other lathe machines while the twin spindle is running. As PAI strives to be world-class, we take a look at more state-of-the-art equipment, and we also try to streamline our processes so that we can reduce the cost, but also increase the productivity.